Hello guys, naabot na mi. Akong ipakita, guys. Barato ra guys. Among 66 something in one night. Not bad, 66. Mo na siya room. Nami sa second floor. Siya room.
It's not enough room.
And it's okay, princess. Mo siya like gamay. Basta cute siya na siya gamay na kitchen. Oh, stove. Kanya na-address sa pikas ang sink. It's cute. And siya another bedroom for 66 a night. Can't beat that. Ano siya ang bathroom. Ay, tub. Ito. And toilet. It's cute. It's cute, guys. No? Kamaog yun kung kinsa nagpanday ani kamaog yun. Sa attic ba, i-consume yung maayo, nagamit ang tanan nga area. Yan, dali na ay gamay na stackan sa mga kuan. Naisuga.
Hi.
Towels, see? Laundry area, guys. It's pretty. Para sa
Hi.
nasa silong din ang laundry. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. She's so happy. Naay gamay nga. Ano na siya, guys? Nakalimot ng coaching nga,
show
anak.
the room?
Tulog ka lingkuranan, no?
Did you show the room?
Yeah, done. It's that really consume the area. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. For 66 something, you can't beat that. In hard floor. Yeah, hard floor. Lingkod sa ako, guys. Gikapoy man ko. Igura mi nga lingkod, no? Dili man mi nag-drive. Kanang kapoy. Kapoy umayo. Nya ko on. Nang ligid usap ko. Ang usa excited kayong mag-atiman sa mga butang, oh. Princess, what are you doing?
Packing my clothes.
That one probably needs to be cleaned. Your dad is gonna do that first.
It's too late, Mom. Oh my God. I already have this full.
Oo. Okay. You're not waiting. She can't wait. Bill. Hindi siya makahuwat. Gadali-dali. So, doble man din yun. Apay sunglass and apay eyeglass. Princess, can you put this one there, please? Kapoy ko, guys, no? Kaning igura nung kang maglingkod. Bation sa nung kang kakapoy. Sige mi ko nung hunong kay mangita og kanang kaon. Anya, asa kapila may muhapit ka mangihi. Dugay mi naabot. Kapoy, adi. So man nga gusto man sa akong mga anak. So gusto man sila nga mulaag. Nindot sa tatong sa balayra kay dili ka maluya ba? Maluya man ka sa galingkod ra. Nya init. No? Init kayo, guys. Pero ang bugnaw ang hangin na ay parts to dire.
Look, my Barbie doll's packing luggage is here too.
Okay. Ang iyang Barbie dolls gipakan sa niya na asay ko ang what you gonna do if your tubes fall down?
Go like this.
Okay. Ay, kape guys. Yeah, ano to guys? Oy, see you soon guys. Mga tumi sa kuan. Mga mamasol ko mi tanaw lang ani mamasol kung dili maligo tanaw lang nako ani kaya gusto ko masulit ba ma-enjoy ang akong anak no. Ako nidako man ko sa dagat. Nidako man ko dito sa dagat, managat man ko. Kuyog ko sa akong papa, managat mananggot. So, kani akong anak wala pa man eh.
Look at the door.
Wait, princess, you ask who?
Okay.
Lah, nangaabot na ang akong gisugo og kanang kuan, disposal ng mga gamit ba? Kutsara, tubig, plato, og snacks. Oh, naabot na. Mga naog ta guys. Ako'y pakita ang stairs. Mga naog ta guys. Akong ipakita ang kuan. Ang hagdanan ni nindot. Oh, close on. I'm showing. Naami sa second floor. Oh, ilang design. Pretty guys, no? Simple pero nindot. Mano yung mga karaan nga himo. Gamay, dili kayo siya dili kayo siya dakog buka. Pero make sure gyud kung minsan nagpanday ani nindot kay nagigamit jud ang tanan nga mga sulok. Kasi no, nay kabutangan down na second floor. Lain na siya nga room. See, mao na siya. Aray. Langlak. No? Doon ra may tindahan. Walgreen. Mga namang gisakyan. Doon ra may tindahan. No? Mingaw man. Muna siya guys. Nindot eh. Nami dito. Muna ang bintana sa bathroom. No? Nindot. Hello guys. Magbanding me. What we're gonna do?
Paint nails.
But before that, what you gonna see?
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and click the notification bell.
She's in a hurry. Okay guys, amo ipakita ang buhaton, no? Mama and daughter. We're going to do kuluran ako ang yang koko. Akong kuluran na yang koko, guys.
Slumber party. Slumber party.
Slumber party. Okay, let's see. On.
Don't get it on the countertop or something bad might happen. It will stink and it will probably stain. So don't.
I know how to clean it. Okay.
Oh, you're putting 2 coats. Oh, you're putting another. Oh, you put in 1 coat. Yes, you can. Ooh, that's cool. I like it. It's like a brown color.
Okay, pakita.
Akita?
Look at guys. That's your first.
Nail.
Michelle, your fingernails need to be cut soon, okay? It's too long.
No.
Ang ako guys, kita siya sa kuha, gusto siya parihami. She wants the
A
same.
manicure. It's gonna be different though, cause these are very long.
You have to pay me, okay? Oh,
Actually, I didn't bring my money, so just joking. Mommy's joking. No, she really is joking. Guys, you probably are like, wait, where are we? If you already know, we're in a hotel, kind of. We're actually in a house.
is that a hotel?
Kind of, not really. Dad, I love that. Oh, oh, oh. Ew. 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 Please, Mommy, I do not want that, though, please.
Well,
Look at that. Oh, I love it.
let me see.
Mom's just cleaning, and if there was any little bit of stuff that was got on my skin, making it perfect. Not perfect, but you know, making it better. Ow. Mom's cleaning it because there's a bit of paint on the skin, which you don't want. Now it's perfect. Well, okay.
Yeah, it's here. Not there. In New York. Here. Now we're doing for the style. It's
The
a white
style.
one. This was, I don't know, color brown, you know,
Kind
and
of
a white one, and then gonna be looks like this. Okay.
twinsies. Twinsies.
Okay, let me see.
They're already cute now. Now this one you have to be very, very careful. Because you have to do it in a way. In a very special way. Ooh, that one looks good. Oh wait, the top missing just a little bit of the top. There we go. Ooh, that's cool. Guys, look at that. It's so cool. Gotta make sure I don't open it up too much. Might want to be careful when it dries. Ooh, ooh, You can also make a design with the white if you like. You can use a sticker or something. Tiny bitty sticker, cut it out and paint over it. First, you can paint it like this. Take a sticker, cut the sticker out, and leave the sticker somewhere else. Or put the sticker on. Ooh, that one's kind of thin. That one's pretty thin. Kind of hard to see. It one. Might want to put some more white on that one though.
Is that good?
Yeah. Look at these though. They're really cool. There. Gladly, it's kinda. There we go. Go. Now we just gotta dry them.
Pretty.
I know, they're so good. Wait, I have to show you guys.
Okay, we're done.
Guys,
Like a minute. There you go.
look at that, guys. Like, see it? It's like,
It's not perfect, guys. We don't clean it. We just put the color direct.
yeah, but look at it though. It still looks cool. Look at me, even my pinky. Hmm?
There.
Hmm? Still drying though. Hey, look, now we're twinsies. We're twinsies.
Alright, get that, guys. We're done our fingernails. Hold on. Ta-da! My hands is hard worker. Look at that. Damage from the hammer. You know, help my papas do carpenter.
Mine's damaged.
This is the result.
Well, my nails are damaged because I use them to plier stuff off.
What can you say to Mama?
Thank you. Now we're like kind of like twinsies, except there's red.
Let me see yours. There you go. What can you say?
Thank you, mommy.
Love you.
Ow.
Give me kiss.
Your glasses.
Oh,
Well,
you're welcome, my princess.
thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, click the notification bell. Bye.
I can see your underarm too dark. A lot of hair.
No, that's yours. Like, there's nothing.
You full of hair.
No, there's nothing.
Okay. Bye, guys. Masakan ako balik, guys. Karaan siya ng pyramid chug style. Pero, barato ra. Indot 66. Pinya, baligya ni siya, guys. For sale. Mental siguro nga pamahalin. Pabangan sa niya. Pero nindot ganahan ko. 66. How much on 66? $66 a night? Nindot. Yeah. Yamo na to, guys. Salamat guys sa pagtanaw. Salamat guys sa pag-subscribe. Daghang salamat. Bye-bye.